All right, Nylah, now what are you doing?
I'm making cheese sauce.
A cheese sauce for your macaroni and cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, so be careful with that. Pour it in. It's fine, pour it in. Yeah, good. That's your heavy cream. Okay. What about your butter? Put your butter in there. And now you are going to cut your cheeses, some of your cheeses, right? And then as they are smaller, what are you going to do?
Put them in the pot.
Yeah. Do you want to go ahead and put a few of them in there? That way you have some room. Yeah? Yeah. Go ahead and put it in there just like that. Yep. And we'll put some seasonings and stuff. Remember, hold your pot. There you go. Good girl.
Mix this up and we're gonna get.
Yep, you just gotta let it cook, okay? And every now and again you stir it up, right? And we're gonna put some seasoning in it, yeah?
I'm going to put my seasoning in my cheese sauce.
Yeah, what you got? Pepper, garlic salt, garlic powder, some onion salt. Go ahead, girlfriend. Good. Now mommy's gonna make her macaroni and cheese in the oven.
Can I mix it?
But yeah, absolutely, it's your mac and cheese.
Can I do it with this?
Absolutely, that's your spoon. Just make sure, what do you have to do? Hold that pot.
Mac and cheese noodles?
Yep.
I'm gonna put it in.
Yeah. Pour it in your cheese sauce.
I'm scared.
No, don't be scared. You got it, girlfriend. Good.
Do we need to mix it?
Yeah, of course you need to mix it, but what do you need to do?
Hold the pan.
Hold the pot and mix it nice and good. It looks like a good cheese sauce too. Some pepper and stuff in there. Mmm.